Happy birthday, Daddy!
Hi, Dee. Siyempre, thankful ako, ayan. And na meron akong isang action star na ama. Ayan. Wish ko this birthday mo, mag-enjoy ka. And siyempre, more birthdays to come. Long life, long happy life with us, siyempre, and your loved ones. Yan. Kaya ngayong birthday mo, siyempre, enjoy mo lang. Maging happy ka sa mga nasa paligid mo ngayong birthday mo. So, again, happy 50th birthday.
Go down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted.
So, yun po, no? So, ang wish ko sa'yo for your birthday is makamit mo pa. Hindi pala makamit. Mag-grow ka pa sa mga businesses na meron ka. Na sana maging mas magaling kang tao sa buong mundo, sa buong buhay mo. Sana maging healthy ka sa pamilya mo at sa business mo. So wala akong seryosong sasabihin. So happy birthday.
So, Tito Jason, happy 50th birthday po. Wish you all the good health and super blessed po kayo na alive for 50 years, and then wishing po na good health and long life and mas maging successful pa po. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa amin, lalo na po sa amin ni Anton, at sa pagtuloy po sa amin na parang tunay na anak. Happy birthday, Tito Jason. We love you always.
Your party with you, come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world.
Salamat po, O Diyos, sa lahat po ng dumalo. Salamat po sa mga buhay na tunay ngang iningatan mo, ginabayan mo, Panginoon, ang buhay po ng bawat isa. At dalangin po namin, aming Diyos, na makapangyarihan po sa lahat. Samahan niyo po kami sa bawat inihandang programa, sa lahat po ng mga presentation, sa lahat po ng mga tatayo, aming Diyos. Ang aming pong dalangin, ang iyong pangunguna, paggabay, O Diyos.
Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Sino ang kamukha ng birthday celebrant sa Senado?
Erwin Tupo.
Sige, maraming salamat. Enjoy po natin yung moment na to. Nawaman sa pasaya po natin ang ating birthday celebrant na si Jason Magaldi.
Sweetheart, syempre, happy fabulous day. Muna, thank you kang Lord kasi 5-0 na ka, bagaman matuwa akong 2 years kaya ka, pero congratulations! Siyempre, English ko kaya ka nawa itang nasanin kaya kang puso na magkaroon kang branch King Tarlac, balo ko in perfect time, ibiyan ng Lord kaya ka to. Lagi kang magpaka-healthy para kumaba ka pa life at lagi tamong abe-abe na buong family tamo. At balo ko itang nasanin kaya kang puso, datanging panahon, datanging aldo, i-grant ng Lord kaya to. Happy, 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 fabulous day. I love you.
Nung sukdan ta ingkaya ng pabi kaluguran, siguro masira na rin panyukan nung metro siya man yan. Kaya kalalam na yung pabi kaluguran ta. At pasalamat po kaya Gino na metong po karetang pinili mong maging kaluguran mo. Na mo basta kaluguran, tinuring ko pang kapatid. Happy birthday, nawa, ma-enjoy me yung birthday mo iti at malambat tapang miyabe. Kasi bayo pari, happy birthday.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still.
Happy birthday, pinsan ko. Wala mo, kay ko rin, kapatid ang pong barkada. Manipat malati kami, yabi-yabi lang. Wish ko kayo good health and sana masensuya pa. Masaya ako at hanggang aliyang ako puno ko, mayan, pinsan ko. Kaya nasensuya, maswelo ko. At yun po kayang kainin. Kaya katayuan ngayon. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
When we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me, knows me inside out, helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to.
Yung pasensya ng Diyos, hindi kanya tatantanan. Lagi kanyang sasamahan. Because the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord.
Alright, good evening po everyone, and with a grateful heart, masayang-masaya po ako, unexpected. Meron pong mga surprises na nakita ko, nag-message sa akin in personal or through dito sa napanood po natin. Nagpapasalamat po ko sa mga taong malalapit sa puso ko na nandito. Kung makikita nyo po, hindi kayo ganun karami kasi maraming po sila. But then, napili po namin kayo kasi meron po kayong history sa buhay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Alright. Isa pang malakas sa palakpak. Once again.
Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.